How to pair your garage door with your 2021 Hyundai Elantra. Pair your 2021 Hyundai Elantra with your garage door opener. You want to have your garage door remote and your car parked outside of the garage, along with a ladder or a step stool underneath the garage door motor unit. Then get inside of your vehicle and go ahead and turn it on and close your garage door opener. You then want to clear any stored garage door codes that were previously stored by pushing and holding the two outside buttons for about 30 seconds. As you're holding that orange light is going to start to flash green. Once it does that just clears all the codes that are inside. Next, you'll take your garage door remote and you're going to hold it about 2 inches away from the home link buttons. And you're going to go ahead and push the button on the garage door remote that you want to pair with the button, the home link button that you want to pair. You're going to push and hold these at the same time. And we've got that slow amber blinking light, and then it flashes green. As soon as it flashes green, your garage door remote is now paired to the home link button. If your garage door unit was an older one with a non-rolling code, that is all that you'd have to do to successfully pair your garage. However, most are rolling codes, so the next step is to go inside of your garage, push the learn button, and come back inside the vehicle. On the garage door motor unit, you want to find the learn button or pair button. Mine is this one here, but yours may look different. You may need to consult your garage door owner's manual to find it. But you're going to push that button, and then you have 30 seconds to get back into the vehicle and push the button you just programmed. You then are going to push that same button you just programmed, push and hold it for 2 seconds, release, push and hold it for 2 seconds, release, and push and hold it 2 seconds, and release. That should successfully pair your garage door opener to your 2021 Hyundai Elantra. I hope this quick video was able to help you pair your garage door opener to your 2021 Hyundai Elantra. Thanks for watching.